Everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to add shop button on Facebook. In order to add shop button on Facebook, first you'll need to open your Facebook app. This is the first home page you will see of Facebook. From here, you'll have to tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of your screen just below the messenger option. Here you'll need to switch to your business account. For that, you'll have to tap on the button beside your username. Then tap to your business account. You will be switched to your business account. Now from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon. Then you'll have to click on the three dots right beside advertise. You'll find a lot of setting options from here. You'll have to tap on the add action button. There you can see your action buttons. Right now I have messages in my action button. You can also choose to remove your action button by tapping on the remove option. Now in order to add shop on your Facebook page, you'll have to tap on edit buttons option. You can find other options to add to your Facebook page. In order to add shop, you'll have to tap on view shop option. Here you can add the button to shop on Facebook, connect other tool or link to website. Right now we will be linking it to a website. Just type in the name of your website. After you type in the link of website, you can tap the save option. And just like that, you have successfully added shop now button on Facebook page. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to add Shop Now button on your Facebook page. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share and subscribe. Thank you.